Hi, this is Amy, and I want to show you how to set up a cell on Celly and create a QR code so that people can scan that and join your cell so that they can receive text message updates from you. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start Cell, and I'm going to call this Test School Cell 2. You'll want to keep this short because you'll have to type this in from time to time if you're using your phone. So yours probably won't be as long as mine, but it will have to be unique. Alright, so now I'll click Next. And I'm going to do this as open, anyone can join. And I'm not going to ask for usernames because we're going to do this like we're going to have our whole school or even our whole district in this cell. Alright, so let's check out these settings. This is going to be a curated chat, which is the default or the first setting you come to here. You can message everyone at once. You get replies privately. You can rebroadcast them if you want. Good for classrooms and large groups. Alright, that's definitely or it could be what we want. You might also want this one, especially if you're doing your whole school district, because you do not want to be getting replies from your whole school district. So let's do this one actually. Only you can send messages. Good for gigantic groups like a whole school or a whole district. They can try to reply, but they're not going to be able to. So alert only. This is, hurricane coming or something like that. Whatever the alert might be. Next. Okay, so now I'm going to say a welcome message. This is what they'll see. So thank you for joining your school's group, text message group. All right, and I'm in Huntsville, Texas, so I'll put that in. You can use your school logo here. That would be a neat thing to do. It wants you to give a path to your URL. So if you've got one on your website, you can click on that image and then copy the URL from the website and put it there. And then you can direct people to your, for example, your school district website here. All right, we're going to keep it private. We just want to tell people about it who are in our own community, and finish. And now we get some information right over here on the side about people joining. So we're going to take this information now and we're going to turn this into a QR code. So I'm using the zebra crossing QR code generator. It's not necessarily the greatest one in the whole world, but it seems to be very reliable and works. You use whichever one you prefer. A lot of people have their favorites of these things. All right, so let's see. What are they going to do? They're going to text 23559. So here's the phone number, 23559. And the message is going to be at test-school-cell, 2. I'm going to go ahead and make my barcode large because if it's large and I want to make it smaller, I can do that. If it's small and I try to make it larger, it's going to pixelate. So now I'll click Generate, and then here's my code. Let me slide it over so you can see. All right, now I'm just going to right-click and Save Image As, and I'll just put it on the desktop of my computer. If you're doing a whole bunch of these, like you're setting these up for your whole school district, you might want to label. So I'll call this District Celly SMS code, so I know what it is later, and I'll save it to my desktop. All right, now what happens when people scan that code is, well, you try it yourself. You'll see it's going to, you use your QR code scanner, and then it's going to direct you to a text message, and it's going to already have this data entered into the text message. So all they have to do is just click Send. There's also another way that they can join. Here's the public link to the cell. So if they're using a computer, they can just go to that link. Let's see what that looks like. So I'm on my computer, and I click on that link from the school's website, let's say, and I'm already logged in, so I get this. Hold on, let me open up another screen where I'm not signed in. Let's try that again. What does it look like to average person? All right, so now it wants me to sign up. So now I'm going to have to create a username or else log in with my Facebook or my Twitter. So definitely easier to get parents to sign up with their cell phone by using those directions. Hope that helps you get started. Thanks. Have a good day.